Most companies are investing in digital transformation, blindly. SynSight changes that. Without a baseline, there is no way to measure progress. Decisions are based on gut feelings, not data, and every department thinks they are more advanced than they actually are. SynSight is the digital maturity platform that gives organizations a complete structured view of where they stand and exactly where they need to go. Begin with a complete AI-guided assessment. Evaluate your organization across strategy, people, technology, processes, and data, all in one place. Instantly, see your maturity scores visualized in real time. Radar charts, KPI breakdowns, dimensional scores. No spreadsheets, no guesswork. SynSight automatically generates SWOT analysis, CEO strategic briefings, and transformation roadmaps, powered by AI, delivered in seconds. Benchmark your maturity across peers and against best practice, without spending a fortune. What used to take 3 consultants and 6 weeks now takes 1 platform and 1 afternoon. SynSight.